And speaking of kids, Tallahassee Memorial Healthcare is honoring mothers, especially those who have given birth in the middle of this pandemic. New at 11, only on ABC 27, Christian Thomas talks with this mother and the hard-working nurses who are helping them in the maternity unit.
The maternity wing at Tallahassee Memorial is still delivering babies during this pandemic. They tell me guests may be limited, but the experience of childbirth is still magical.
Of course, there was restrictions of, who could be there.
Kayla Gant is now a mom of two, recently giving birth to her son Jonah at Tallahassee Memorial in the middle of a pandemic. He was born 5 weeks early and put in the neonatal intensive care unit for 6 days. Due to COVID-19, the NICU was a bit hard for Gant and her husband to navigate.
Once I was discharged, my husband couldn't go in. And so while I was a patient, we were both able to go in, but we weren't both able to be there at the same time.
Gant showing her 4-year-old son and her husband, Jonah, through the window as he got stronger and progressed. TMH says those restrictions are in place for baby safety. The changes are also bringing patients and nurses closer together.
We are able to provide more support, actually, than when they have a whole family that might be in the room.
Gant says that support made giving birth more relaxing for her.
I was just more taken care of by hospital personnel.
Although there are restrictions, nurses ask parents and family to be understanding.
And it's all about keeping them safe, their new babies safe, the colleagues safe, so that when we come in, they understand and it takes away some of that fear.
Going the extra mile to make sure moms with their new bundles of joy have a safe and loving Mother's Day.
It's just such a special time for us as a family.
In Tallahassee, Christian Thomas, ABC 27.
And congratulations to them, and they'll continue to limit guests until further notice at the hospital, and they're wishing happy Mother's Day to all the moms delivering babies through this rough time.